When storms strike, All Pro Timber Crown Roofing delivers fast, reliable emergency roof repair homeowners trust to stop leaks, prevent damage, and restore safety before problems escalate further. Protect your property and avoid costly repairs with rapid response, expert solutions, and durable results from All Pro Timber Crown Roofing, ensuring your roof is secured quickly so your home stays safe, dry, and protected without delays right when needed. Contact us today for your emergency roof repair needs. Are you looking for an emergency roof repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Timber Crown Roofing. What is considered an emergency roof repair? An emergency roof repair involves urgent damage from storm, leak, or missing shingles that threaten structural safety, requiring immediate inspection, temporary tarp, patch, and fast contractor service to prevent further damage. How quickly should emergency roof repairs be completed? Emergency roof repairs should be completed immediately after damage occurs, as delays from storm or leak exposure increase structural risks, requiring urgent inspection, tarp protection, and fast contractor service to fix issues. What is the service area for your Longport, New Jersey location? Our emergency roof repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Longport, Margate City, Summers Point, Linwood, Northfield, Ocean City, Ventnor City, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Beasley's Point, Marmora, Palermo, Egg Harbor Township, Zion Park, Absecon, Brigantine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, and Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Where is your Longport, New Jersey emergency roof repair service office located? We are located at 202 North Colgate Avenue, Longport, New Jersey 08403. Our phone number is 640-500-2297. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Longport-NJ.